Hi, welcome to my digital lessons. Today I'm going to talk about energy and we're going to see how light travels. So let's start. Now we want to learn how light travels. Now let me draw the sun. We use it as our example. Now let us assume this is the sun. And as we know, the sun is our natural source of light. So light from the sun travels in all directions. And as we know, light travels in a straight line. So these lines, we call them the rays. Now somebody can ask you, what is a ray? What is a ray? A ray is just a path that light from the sun travels. This path that the light from the sun uses is what we call a ray. Meaning, we have rays. So many rays from the sun, we call them a beam. So we have said a beam is a group of many rays. So many of them from the sun, we call them a beam. And a ray is that path that the light travels from the sun, maybe to the surface of the earth, on a straight line. Our topic today was how light travels, and we have said that light travels in a straight line. So I have one experiment that we are going to do and see if it is true that light travels in a straight line. These are the materials that we are going to use. These are the candles. These are the matchboxes. And this is our bent metal and a straight pipe. Good. Now I want us to start. Now we're going to start with the bent pipe. This is my bent pipe, as you can see here. Now I want to observe and see if I can see light from one side. You can close your eyes. You can close one eye using your hand if you don't know how to close itself. Then observe the light. You're going to realize that light cannot move in a place where the pipe is not straight. Now let us try a straight pipe. When you use a straight pipe, you realize that you see the light from the candle, meaning light travels in a straight line. Now, our next experiment, I'm not going to do, but I want to show you how to arrange and do. You use the matchboxes. Make sure you arrange them in a straight line. You can arrange as many as you want. For me, I'm going to use only 4. Make sure you find a pin and make a hole at the middle, depending on the height of your candle. Put your candle there. Make a hole depending on your height of your candle on every matchbox. Then, from one end, observe the light from the candle through that hole. Then you are going to write an observation if you have seen the light. So you're going to try that experiment. Don't use a very long candle because this candle is taller than the matchboxes. That is why I have a small candle. And up to that point, that is the end of our experiment. That is the end of our experiment. And as usual, I have some work for you. Which you are going to try. And I want you to take a screenshot. Up to that point, I say goodbye until next time.